Hey guys, we have the Emerson SmartSet Alarm Clock radio. On the back you have your plugs for USB or aux, and you can connect an iPad or an iPod or your phone, whatever you would like to get music from. On top here you have where you can snooze it, you can play, the dim, all that good stuff. And then you got your volume and your next controls. And then over here, you can set your time if you need it changed. And then you can set your alarms here. So I'll do a quick on, that's the Bluetooth option. And let me just play something real quick here. And I'll show you the sound on it. And let's play some Jesse Cook. Just got on the iTunes here. Turn it all the way up on there. There we go. So there's your sound for you, and then power back off. So there you go, the Emerson SmartSet Alarm Clock radio. Thanks for watching.